Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials: the Ring app installed, a Ring account, a charged spotlight camera, and your 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password. Once done, open the Ring app and tap Add Device to start setup. Put the camera into setup mode by pressing and holding the setup button until the light blinks. This initiates the camera's hotspot so the app can discover it. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled to speed discovery. Now follow the app prompts. Select the camera, then pick your 4 GHz SSID from the list and enter the password exactly as shown. You might see a progress indicator while the camera authenticates and gets an IP address. This is the router verifying credentials. Make sure to keep the camera and phone close during this exchange because weak signal causes timeouts. If the app asks to update firmware, approve it. Updates often fix connectivity bugs and improve stability. Finish by confirming live view inside the app and allowing any firmware installation to complete. This verifies the camera is online. Once confirmed, mount the spotlight camera and tweak motion sensitivity and zones so you avoid false alerts. If connection fails, first reboot your router and phone, then retry setup. If that doesn't work, perform a camera reset by holding the setup button for 20 seconds and repeat. This reset clears cached network info and often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.